One of the biggest problems you've got with printing clay is that it's soft and that you can't use support in the same way with plastic because it's hard to remove. When I was printing pots, even this overhang here is pretty risky. No! As you can see on this one, it's collapsed. How is it that I can manage to print some cups like this without any support? Simple answer for the cups is you print upside down, then print a second ring for the base. For this bowl, how would you print it? This side's not even got a flat surface to print on, it's just got 3 legs. And this, when it's upside down here, not only does it curve over, it actually becomes concave at the top. What I found out is as long as there's a fold in the shape that keeps the rigidity, it can even go past horizontally. So normally when you print, it'll slice it in slices horizontally like this. Break up your wall into individual slices. You get this big block that's sticking up above this line, so it's no longer nice and curved. The worst bit though is this bit here is printed in thin air. The advantage you've got if you're printing a part that's been edited in Blender, you can start off with a straight line like this, and then when you slice it, it'll be sliced into individual parts. Even if I bend right round, so it's going past horizontal. So now when I'm printing, so actually it's more like that, then this one will be printed on top and it's going to be squishing in, and this one's going to be squishing in because it can't go up but it can go down. The extra material is going to be pushing down against it, and the layers are going to be squished together nicely. Whereas on this one, these layers will be like this up here, but when it comes to this one, and then this one is going to be under nothing, and this one will be under nothing, so it's not going to hold itself up. And this one's barely going to hold itself up, so this is going to be half off and half not off. Subscribe for new content coming out next week, and if you've got any questions, leave a comment below.